Hi there! In today's video, we will be talking about how to link an email address to a button on Wix. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So as you can see, I am on my Wix dashboard. So first, make sure that you are on the right side by clicking on this button. So we're gonna use this for demo site in this tutorial. Then you will just have to click on the Design Site button here. When you're on the editor page, you will see all these elements at the left side that you can add to your page. Just click on the plus button here, then click the button option. And then different kinds of buttons will appear. So since we want to link our email, let's choose the envelope button here. You can resize it and put it wherever you want on the page. Then, while the button is selected, click on the link icon here. When you click on that, this widget will appear. As you can see, it says, what do you want to link to? So we just have to select email. Just put your email address here, and you can even add an email subject line. After that, click on Done. And that's it. Let's just see its preview. So once you publish your website, this is what it's gonna look like. And this icon will be clickable and linked to your email. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.